Okay, today in this video I'm going to show you guys my meat tenderizer. This has 3 settings, and settings 1, 2, and 3. And 3 is the widest setting, and you're going to want to use that for your first setting. That gives us more distance in here, and as you run the steak through each time or each pass, you will adjust it so that gets closer and closer. So you'll end up on 1. So I always start on 3 with that distance right there. Okay, so now that I've got it set up, I've got this petite steak, and these are generally very tough and chewy. And if you run it through the tenderizer a few times, it'll make a nice steak out of that. So anyway, let's do one. So I'm going to turn my device on the lowest setting. I'm going to use my tongs and run it through there. And these steaks are generally about 5/8 of an inch thick or so. We're going to put that through there. As you can see, we're getting that. I'll go one more time on that 3rd setting. All right, we'll go to number 2. And as you can see, we're tenderizing it. That steak's getting bigger. All right. We'll go to number 1, we'll run it through. And I'll usually run it through number 1 a couple times. That kind of depends on what it looks like and what kind of fat material and whatnot you have in there, but there we go. By the way, this is a really good device to use if you want to make chicken fried steak. All right, easy to clean. Basically, you just do it by hand. And this top piece comes off. Of course, you unplug your machine first, but I'm just doing the demo here. But that's pretty easy to clean up. I just use the sink sprayer with a little bit of soap on a brush and just brush it off, and then dry it up and put it away for storage. I have run this through the dishwasher before, but it's pretty easy to do by hand. And really, these don't really get all that bad, so it only takes a few minutes to clean up.